कला अकादमीचे नूतनीकरण करपाचे काम चालू असताना कला अकादमीच्या ओपन एअर थिएटराचे स्लॅब कोसळपाची घडणूक घडिल्ली। हाजेर विरोधकांनी बरोच आवाज केल्लो। 43 वर्सां पयलींचे बांदकाम आशिल्ल्यान कला अकादमीचे ओपन एअर थिएटराचे लोखण तशेंच बांदकामांक कळम चडली। IIT मुंबईन पळोवणी करून अहवाल सादर केला अशें मुख्यमंत्र्यान विधानसभेत माहिती दिली। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
Slab of the open auditorium of Kala Academy, Panji, Goa, collapsed on 17/7/23. Speaker sir, 3 independent report conducted prior to commencement of the work, which Goa College of Engineering, it is an GEM Engiserve Private Limited, IIT Madras, also mentioned that there is no need of demolition of the complex. Speaker sir, my government immediately issued the direction to ascertain the cause of incident, and the Chief Secretary immediately wide note number XXY 331 dated 17/7/23 and appropriate direction were issued and seek preliminary report and appoint IIT Roorkee or any other IIT NIT to ascertain the cause of the incident. Accordingly, specific directions were issued to the contractors, and also IIT Roorkee was requested as an independent agency in addition to the direction issued to the contractor to obtain the report from IIT Mumbai, and who carried out the structural ability of Kala Academy on the immediate basis of 17/7/23. Speaker sir, however, as there was no response from IIT Roorkee, even after the continuous follow-up, we have requested IIT Delhi and they have agreed to conduct the report. Speaker sir, 3 reports, with 1 report from the Principal Chief Engineer, PWD, second report is from REITs Limited, and third report is from IIT Mumbai is already obtained, and the report from the IIT Delhi is also obtained. Speaker sir, in regard to the incident of the collapse of structure of the open auditorium in Kala Academy, I would like to mention that the existing Kala Academy complex is almost nearly 43-year-old structure, and which was designed by the renowned architect Charles Correa. Speaker sir, particularly structure though integral part of the Kala Academy complex is a standalone structure, and which is consisting of the sitting area and covered stage of composite structure consisting of the RCC slab of 7.5 to 10 centimeter thickness resting on the I-beam and of the depth of 40 centimeter, column and masonry walls. The terrace of the stage covered with a brickbard coba waterproofing with the China mosaic flooring having the average thickness of 40 centimeter. Speaker sir, structural repair of the strengthening of the open auditorium was not carried out, and 40 centimeter average thickness old waterproofing was removed and new layer was laid with the thickness of 20 to 30 centimeter, including the chemical waterproofing, which was completed before the last monsoon. Speaker sir, 4 reports are obtained with PWD, RITS, IIT Mumbai and IIT Delhi, which was interim report, indicated that failure of the structure basically due to the corrosion of the structural steel ISMB and end girders near support, and also not being anchored or the embedded in RCC slab, causing the reduction of the load and the moment resting capacity of the structural members. Hence, the composite structures were under the corrosion attacks over 43 years, resulting in the sudden collapse of the structural steel members and RCC slab. Speaker sir, बाकीच्या कोणाक डिटेलान रिपोर्ट पळोवपा
IIT मुंबई ज्याने तुका रिपोर्ट दिला ते कोण आयिल्ले कोण आयिल्ले
रिपोर्टान आसा, यू कॅन गो थ्रू रिपोर्ट.
तुका मेळिल्ले ना ओके म्हणल्यार मेळिल्ले बी काय म्हणटा कोणाक?
स्पीकर सर, ते येवन हांगा पर्सनली पळोवन इन्स्पेक्शन करून गेल्या आणि त्या प्रमाणे त्यांच्यानी रिपोर्ट सबमिट केला. यू कॅन गो थ्रू रिपोर्ट.
गोवा 365 खातीर विन्संट रोसारियो, संदीप कामुलकर, नितीक्षा गांवकर आनी निखिल जल्मी.